Today is day 14 and we will talk about the last problem sent to us. But before we start, if you're new here and you missed yesterday's episode, I would suggest you should check out that first by click on the I button because it will make a little bit more sense. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Shivansh and I'm building my web development agency from scratch in 365 days. No filter, no fake motivation, just the honest journey of starting from zero. If you're into business, coding, entrepreneurship, या फिर देखना चाहते हो someone building something real from scratch, subscribe, like the video, and join me on this journey. Now let's get into today's problem. And this one is equally important because it can quietly kill a project even when everything else is going right. Clients love the design, they love the demo, they love your communication, pricing is agreed, payments are on track, and still the project slips away. Not because of your skill, but because you're not building for the world. Culture and language barriers. Most Indian developers assume that since the client speaks English, English is enough. But Kuwait websites are not built for English first users. They are built for Arabic first users. So when you design a layout that looks perfect in English and then convert it into Arabic later, you have already lost without even realizing it. The client will never say you are a bad developer, they will say something much scarier. The website doesn't feel local, and there is where things get painful. You might write clean code, you might nail the animations, you might build the perfect mobile version, but the moment the RTL layout looks secondary, the Arabic spacing feels off, the icons don't flip directions, or the images don't match their cultural tone, they mentally disconnect from the project. They stop seeing you as their long term tech partner and start seeing you as an outsider who doesn't understand the market. And it doesn't stop at design. Certain features exist in Kuwait because of cultural needs. A booking system that requires choosing male or female trainer, doctor, or stylist is not a fancy. This is not a fancy filter. It's requirement. Business hours shifting during Ramadan isn't branding, it's functionality. For many industries, visuals need to reflect modesty and cultural norms. None of this is written in the requirement document. They expect you to already know it. That's why so many Indian freelancers lose Gulf projects without ever knowing why. They think maybe they found someone cheaper, maybe didn't like the UI, maybe I followed up too much. No, the real reason is much simpler and much more painful. The client realized you don't understand their culture, and that's the moment the project dies. Not at the end, not during payment, not during delivery. It dies the moment they see your first design and think this developer doesn't understand Kuwait. So how do you protect yourself if you're building from India? Before I say I'm not claiming I'm expert too. I'm just sharing what I've learned online and what I will personally try when I go for Kuwait outreach. But if you apply this, do it carefully. For Gulf projects, cultural understanding is not a bonus, it's part of the product. And when I work with Gulf clients, I will be operating with these rules. No exceptions. Rule number one: the Arabic layout gets designed first, English later, because that's the world the website will actually live in. Rule 2: a native Arabic reviewer will validate the UI, tone, and imagery, not a translator. A reviewer who understands the culture. Rule 3: the very first design preview will include both languages. If English is polished but Arabic looks like an afterthought, the trust is gone instantly. These rules won't magically win every client, but not following them guarantees losing projects silently while thinking everything is going fine. Now, as for my own journey, I have started working on the client project, and today I did a UI of the customer side of the website. I will be doing it for the next 2 3 days. Then I will send the designs for approval from the client. I was kind of busy today, so I couldn't write the script on time, and there is not much time left to shoot this video and post. So I will keep it up to here only. Tomorrow, day 15, we are talking about the major step that I have taken in my agency that might either make or break it. So stay tuned. If you guys are facing any other problem, do let me know about them in the comments. I will surely try to help you guys out on that. If you're enjoying this journey and the honesty of this journey, do subscribe, like, comment your views on my journey and whatever I'm doing in front of you guys. And if you're a business owner watching this and you want a clean, modern website that actually represents your brand properly, my portfolio link is in the description. My contact details are there. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, let's keep building.